on the next Chalkboard Chat.
Welcome back to Chalkboard Chat's Mississippi Prison Education and Reentry Series Part 3.
We'll have an in-depth chat with father and son duo Dickie and Zach Scruggs, co-founders of Second Chance Mississippi.
Well, Second Chance Mississippi was founded when I came home from prison in 2014. One of the ways I survived the prison experience was teaching GED to other inmates, and it gave me a new sense of purpose in prison. When I came home, I decided to keep that going and try to remove barriers for all students in Mississippi, principally those who had dropped out of high school.
Right now, I'd like to introduce to the chat Mr. Melvin Anderson, founder and CEO of Southern Dreams Prevention Services.
Southern Dreams is a one-stop shop for you, as well as their families. Our thing is we try to cover everything that we can to help a youth make strides in their life educationally.
Tune in July 30th, Chalkboard Chat, an MPB Education podcast.